What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at the Anker Power Conference S500 conference speaker. So if you're a business professional and you do a lot of conference calls, a lot of online business meetings, this is going to be a very nice tool to have in your arsenal. So this is going to give you high definition microphone quality with some noise reduction technology, which is designed to focus on voices and eliminate unwanted background noise. Anker claims this is a perfect option for meeting rooms of up to 12 people. But for larger meetings, you do have the option to pair two of these devices together and place them in different locations. That way you can make sure you have adequate microphone coverage. You have the option of connecting the speaker to your computer via USB, or you can connect it wirelessly via Bluetooth. So inside the box, the speaker comes with a very nice carrying case, and it's got kind of a leather type material, and it feels very premium and well made. So you can easily keep the speaker with you at all times by throwing it into a laptop bag. So once we open up the case, we can go ahead and take a look at the speaker. As you can see, it fits nicely in the hand, so it's very portable. The build quality feels really good. You can see you've got some branding featured on the top, and on the bottom of the speaker, it has a nice rubberized finish. This way, once you set the speaker on a table or a desk, it stays put and doesn't slide around. You also have a built-in wireless USB adapter that you can use to connect the speaker wirelessly instead of using Bluetooth. On the back of the speaker is where you have your USB Type-C charging port, and on a full charge, the speaker is going to give you roughly 16 hours. On the front of the speaker is where you have your controls, so you have your power button, a play button, a sync button if you want to pair two speakers together, and then your Bluetooth pairing button. Once you turn the speaker on, you get some digital controls on the top of the speaker. You have a mute button as well as a volume up and down button and a call button. Inside the box, you're also getting a USB Type-C cable, your usual paperwork and instructions, as well as a USB Type-C adapter. The speaker also has two different modes. So it has a standard mode, which is going to give you the best microphone quality for a room of multiple people. It's going to focus on voices both close to the speaker as well as voices further away from the speaker, and it's going to even everything out to give you a nice consistent output. You also have a broadcast mode, so if it's just going to be one or two people close to the speaker, it's going to focus specifically on those voices and eliminate voices and background noise that's further away from the speaker. So before you use the speaker, you want to make sure you download the Anker Work app to give you access to all of the features. So I'm just going to use the USB Type-C adapter and the USB Type-C cable to quickly connect the speaker to my laptop. All right, so this is a microphone test of the built-in microphone on my laptop, which actually doesn't sound that bad as long as you're, sitting directly in front of the laptop. But if you are in like a conference or an office type setting where maybe you have more people that need to speak, at certain times throughout the meeting, probably not ideal. And to test this out, I'm just going to step away from the mic and just kind of go on the other side of the room here and just see how well it picks up my voice. And then we're going to do the same thing with the Anker Power Conference. And I can only guess that the Power Conference is going to perform better. So again, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Now let's go ahead and switch over to the Anker Power Conference. All right, now this is the Anker Power Conference microphone. So we're going to do the exact same test. I'm just going to walk over to the other side of the room here, and we're going to see how well it picks up my voice compared to the built-in microphone on the laptop. So testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. So this should be able to pick up, better sounds from different directions compared to the built-in microphone on my laptop. So the built-in microphone on my laptop didn't sound that bad, but the Power Conference speaker did a much better job at maintaining an even audio level, no matter if I was close to the speaker or further away from the speaker. Now let's go ahead and test out the speaker using a Bluetooth connection. So when using the speaker via Bluetooth, Anker recommends using the broadcast setting. So you want to go into the Anker Work app and switch it from standard to broadcast. All right, now this is a test with the speaker connected via Bluetooth, and this test is on the broadcast setting, which is designed to just capture your voice if you're going to be standing, near the speaker, whereas the standard setting is designed to capture both near and far voices with that 360-degree setup. So this is just another microphone test, again, with the broadcast setting. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So the speaker also offers some versatility because you can also use it as a regular Bluetooth speaker to play music. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick sample of the sound quality. So like I said, if you're a business professional and you do a lot of conference calls, a lot of online business meetings, this is going to be a great option for you to check out. So that's going to be it for this video. Do me a favor, if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in grabbing one of these speakers, be sure to check out the link down in the description. Aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.